Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Bill at Little Airfoils, bringing you the third video for the Chinese K-40 conversion, Franken-40. It's a highly modified, not much left of the K-40 left. But the last video, we had built, or shown you this build plate and the gantry joining together. Now this video, everything's thrown inside the housing and the wiring for the enclosure is done. So things just now plug into the back. Right now the only thing I have plugged in right here is the 12 volt for the lights, which are on. You can see them up. Anyhow, let me explain what's going on here. If you look at the other video, by the way, there's a few videos. You can check down below in the links or a card up here in the corner. I'm running the Cohesion 3D board. I had made a back panel here for everything to plug into that was inside the laser, and it'll have patch cords on the outside laser, so it's a real easy disconnect from the electronics box. Oh, by the way, the electronics box and connecting up the laser tube is in the next video, which should be out in a couple days. Oh, check this out. I made this little adapter similar to the panel in the back there. So my Z plugs into this, and the Z negative limit switch plugs in here, and the A right here is for my rotary. So depending on what I'm doing, I can plug, unplug, or just leave them in there. Let's see what else it's got. Oh, here's the limit switch right here. Let's get in focus. There's a limit switch for the Z bed and the printed plunger, which the files will be available on Thingiverse. And here's the upper limit switch for the Z bed. It will hit the Z bed railing. Again, the Y-axis right here, another Y-axis right here, X-axis right here, the other X-axis is right here. All 6 of them plug in on the bottom row. On the top row are 4 of the stepper motors, and then on the far corner over here is the 12 volt power. Here's the wiring harness, how I brought it in through. I'm running some leftover drag chain all the way up, and I got 2 wires coming out here for the limit switches. One of them goes underneath this limit switch and just goes on through there to the other one. The tube is installed. I'll show you how I went around and did rewiring the tube. There's a really good video. In the next video I'll show you. Let's see, everything's here. So there we go. Oh, and a reason why we cut the holes in the side is so that my fat sausage fingers can come in here and easily adjust these, instead of trying to get my sausages in some tiny little area. It just doesn't work out that well. Okay, if you have any questions, just say so in the comments. Like and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see the rest of this series. Check all the links down below for the other videos of the Franken-40. Let's see, that's about it. So stay safe, have fun, and explore your talents. See ya.